had him, but we sure didn't need to be waiting around.
Oh, he saw us.
Did he?
You see, he was on that log when I shot him.
Good grief. That's the first.
Did it, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm bringing some more layers today. They really might not go.
We had that before at the sheriff's department.
She blew her face off?
No, but they had some issues like this. Stuff caught on fire and blowed up. Huh?
I'm not kidding. I don't think it ever got this cold during deer season, just about, other than that one time.
I don't think it did either.
I could.
22 degrees.
You talk
Middle of March is cold.
I hope I wore enough clothes. If the wind don't blow, I'll be fine.
I don't think it's gonna blow.
Dang, it's so cold. Crap.
What?
I forgot every single one of my turkey calls.
Did you really?
I did. Daggone, they're in the freezer. I knew I was gonna forget something. I might have an old one somewhere.
I got some.
I found one in a bag.
Did you?
I hope it ain't got mold on it. You think?
As long as you don't see it, it's alright.
This thing probably sound like crap. I can't believe I did that.
How far is that? Hey, cop in the post.
Mm-hmm. Let's go. She's done moved. Is that one closer? They're in that bottom, ain't they? I ain't gonna have much of a shot. I thought I heard drumming. They sound like they're in the bottom, like a good bit. That's me in front of them. I can't believe I ain't seen them yet. In the bottom. They sound like they're straight in front of me, but I can't see them. It must be. They what? Yeah. There must be a drop in between. Sounds pretty close. They coming back.
I don't think I had him, but we sure didn't need to be waiting around.
Oh, he saw us.
Did he?
You see, he was on that log when I shot him.
That's just typical for our hunts.
Oh man, I saw him for a while. He jumped up on that log. I said, "You got it."
I heard you say that. I couldn't.
Do what?
I might have had him.
He saw us.
My eyes are so bad I can't tell what I'm looking at in that viewfinder. Not up close. I
He
can see
jumped
good.
up on that log and he started doing this, and I said, "Yep, I'm about to."
Oh, you had to shoot. You had a hen 10 yards.
He had a
I can
bunch.
see good way off. I can see him good, but then looking in that viewfinder,
He had a bunch of hens.
was it a bunch of hens?
I didn't ever see a jake.
I saw some jakes.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Yeah. How old is he?
I hadn't even. He done got so close. That ain't 25 yards, is it?
Mm-mm.
2-year-old. You had a tail fan. Full tail
I
fan.
saw it full of tailfin.
But when he jumped up on that log, I said, "Dang, did he have a beard?" He got a nice beard.
That's the only log I saw on it. Yeah. Might have been another, but I didn't see him.
Have to kill one. I'll freeze him. First one with the gun.
You like the dot?
Oh man, it ain't no comparison. Feels good to be back home. It is a lot colder here though.
I knew you had to shoot. But you did. You said you got him. I said no. As soon as you said, I said no. You shot it.
Sorry. I sat there. Okay, move.
Well, I figured if you didn't shoot, we was sitting right out in the sun. Everything could have went wrong.
You don't have to worry about me waiting on camera.
That sucker, he wasn't gonna gobble if he wasn't all that going on. You see that tree right there?
This tree?
I'm pretty sure that's what blocked me from seeing him.
I knew. Look what all I shot through.
Yeah. I saw him jump up on that log, but I knew you had to shoot.
Look how, I mean, there's some pellets in his head, but
It could have got deflected or something. Huh?
I don't like hitting him in the head, I don't like hitting him in the body. I may not even, I don't know. Really, man, that feels so good. Forgot how good it felt.
Pretty turkey.
I honestly thought though, when we were down in that bottom and I called, I thought I heard one gobble this way.
Well, that probably was him.
But at the same time, I'd hear something and I think it'd be behind me.
He got some pretty colors.
Sure does. I got a good camera that'll make a pretty picture.
Let's take a picture of him with that camera.
Uh-oh.
What do you want
I
to
didn't
get?
want to get it out. My hand's so daggone cold.
There's a place that's pretty right in there. It's old home place.
Alright, let's go. What about now? And then I got one more I want you to take, and then Hold on a second. I want a video of this. My phone. Did you for real hear it?
Yeah, I did hear one. Get right there. Get right there. Right. Stand there. Let me take you.
Coming this way anyway. All right. Grab. He's on the road, ain't he? I hope he'll come down his head. If he don't. Yep. Bad like that. Drop it.
That's what I'm talking about. We just killed two.
Was you on him?
Yeah, I was on him. Let's go. The head, yeah. Man. I believe he saw it. He probably saw us move. Good grief. That's his first.
Did it really?
Yeah. Good Lord bless us on that one. Man, you can't beat that. Now we both gonna have to post up in a picture.
I shot pretty quick. I don't know how good I hit him.
Man, I think I got some good video.
Yeah. He's a 3 or 4 year old. Got them old pearls.
There's a lot of blood on his head. That joker was coming, wasn't he? Did you have your Tacticam on?
Yeah, I guess I did.
I got a good video of him.
Did you?
Yep.
I really forgot about the Tacticam though.
Did you hear me? I think I said as soon as he clears that tree. Man, that was so fun.
I can tell you if I had it on. I hope I had it on. I was wanting to see.
We don't get to do this much. You got good service.
Not the greatest.
Whew. I'm glad he did what he did. How far do you think that was?
What do you think?
35, 40, 40, 45? I don't know, I just said about 5 numbers. I'm gonna say 40. What do you think?
Maybe so. How'd you see him through that mess? I thought he was like 15 or 20 yards when you said that, and I said, you said don't move.
I could see him coming around the edge. I could see through all the thick stuff. But as soon as I said I see him, he stopped and looked right at us.
Really?
And he kept coming. I'm curious to see. I mean, I was zoomed in pretty good on him, like it.
You had it on. You had the record button on.
Oh yeah. Oh Lord, I hope I mastered. I know I'm hit record.
He got some kind of old. He about had some beard right. I ain't too good of a beard. Oh, redhead out.
Oh yeah. You can tell when you hit him in the head, it swells your head up, don't it?
Woo.
He's a good one.
Some pretty spurs.
Mm-hmm.
No, he hadn't been strutting a whole lot.
No. I tell you, we went from the very, very bottom to the top.
Ooh, I smashed that head. That is a super hunt.
Yeah.
Go from aggravating to... That's a pretty place right down in there. We'll go down there and take a picture of both of them.
Oh yeah. Man, that was so fun. Walk up here and get my stuff.
Tagged out again.
Do what?
I said I'm getting close to getting tagged out.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 36, 37, 38. I stepped it off at 38.
Ooh,